Good morning, student. Good morning, student. Myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last class, we were discussing about editing tools where we had seen the use of header and footer, how to break the page and how to break the line. Today also we will continue with this editing tool. So here we have inserting column and column break. By default, MS Word document are written from the left margin to right margin. So the documents have one column only. Now let me show you. We used to write the content from left margin to right margin. Okay. So this is the left margin and this is the right margin. Clear? This is the left margin and this is the right margin. Now I am going to write here. Okay. So whatever I am writing, the text coming from left margin to and going to right margin. Okay. So we used to write the content from left margin to right margin. As I told you, this is the left margin and this is the right margin. Okay. And whatever content you can see here, all are in one column only. Okay. All are in one column only. But according to our desire, we can give the number of column. Okay. However, in textbook, magazine and newspaper, articles are written in more than one column. You must have seen the newspaper. There more than one column used for content, for the content. Okay. Not only in newspaper, even in book, magazine, etc. Okay. In this style, text follow from bottom of one column to the top of next column. Now let me read out the step, then I'll show you the practical. So step number 1, select the text of the document. Step number 2, click page layout tab. Step number 3, click column option and select more column. The column window appear on the screen. By default it is set to one column. Step number 4, select the number of column. Thus MS Word creates the document in column form. Okay. So these are the steps we have to follow for performing or for inserting column or column break. Okay. Now let me show you the practical. So here you can see this is the document. According to the step, first we supposed to select the text. Then click on page layout tab. Then click on column option. Here you can see in page setup group. Just click on that. Then here you will get the list. Okay, if you want to choose anyone, you can choose from the list. Otherwise, go to the more column. Okay. Now here you can see, here we have number of column option, and here we have 2 arrow. You can increase the number of column. Okay. If you click here, this will increase by 1. Okay. And this will decrease the number of column. Suppose I want 3. Okay. After increasing, just click on OK option. Clear? I am going to click on OK option and you see the result. Now you can see content distributed in 3 column. Why? Because just now I have selected 3 column. Clear? So this is how you can distribute your content in column, or we can say this is how you can break the column. Now if you want to write the content column wise in new page, then what you have to do, first take the new page, then click on this page layout tab, then click on this column option, then go to the more column and change the number from here, number of columns. Suppose I want 2 or 3. Okay, I am selecting 3. Okay. Now click OK. Now start writing, like I am writing. As you can see on the screen, this is how we can write column wise. Okay. So whatever I am writing, that is coming column wise. Okay. When we finish this column, then the cursor automatically we'll go to the next column. Let me show you. I'm pasting same thing. Now you can see the cursor here. This is the beginning of first column and this is end of first column. Then this is the beginning of second column. Same thing I'm pasting now. Now the cursor came here. Okay, so this is how we can write the content column wise. Now margin. Margin refers to the amount of blank space between the edge of the page and the document text. Microsoft allow you to set the margin on all four sides of a document, that is top, bottom, left and right. The default margin are set at 1 inch from top and bottom and 1 inch from left and right edge of the page. Now let me show you. So this is the document and here you can see what is margin. Margin is the amount of space between edge of the document. This is the edge of the document and document text, and this is the text. Okay, from here we have started writing and this is the edge of the document. And what is margin? Margin is the amount of space between edge of the document, this is the edge, and document text. That means this part is the margin here. The space which you can see here, this is the margin, and margin you can see all around. That means top, bottom, left and right side. All side you can see margin. Okay, by default it is set to 1 inch, but we can change according to our desire. For that, what are the steps we have to follow? First, open the document, then click on page layout tab, then come to the page setup group. Then here we have margin option. Just click on that, then you will get some list. You can choose anyone from the list if you want. Otherwise, click on this custom margin. Okay, click on this custom margin. Now here you can see, here we have top, bottom, left, right option. By default it is showing here 1 inch in all top, bottom, left and right. Now according to your desire you can increase or decrease. Okay, suppose I want 5 inch from top. Just click on this upper arrow button to increase the size of the margin. I am going to set 5. Okay, now click OK. Now I am going to click and you see the result on the screen. Now you can see amount of space. Okay, now this is 5 inch margin. Okay, so this margin option allows us to increase or decrease the margin either from top, bottom, left or right. Okay, now let me show you once again. First select the first open the document, then click on page layout tab, then click on the margin option, then go to custom margin. Now suppose I want 5 inch from right side. Okay, increase the size, then click OK. Now you can see amount of space from right side. Okay, so this is how we can use margin option to increase or decrease the margin from margin in all side. Okay, understood? So this is all about margin. Okay, so I hope today whatever I have discussed with you, each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.